And welcome back to MCMT YouTube channel. Today we're going to launch Challenge 5. Challenge 5 is linked to a company called Inventive Engineering and Design. This company is based in Shropshire and actually works from MCMT. They design, develop and prototype products for many different engineering and manufacturing sectors. And here is their web address if you'd like to explore some of the products that they have developed. To give you a snapshot of the type of product, here are some examples from their portfolio of work. As you can see from this range of products, they develop products making use of a range of engineering and manufacturing techniques. Some of the products that are quite common within their product range are the production of jigs for repeat manufacture and the production of press tools. With that in mind, we have set your challenge linked to that product type today. So your challenge is to design and prototype a solution to reduce capacity of recycled products, such as plastic bottles and cans, to help reduce the volume of waste. So the first thing we'd ask you to do is look at and identify the range of waste products. So here's some examples of waste products that you may find in and around the home. Now, a lot of that waste is wasted space. So we want you to condense these recycled products to be able to reduce the volume of waste when it is recycled. So first thing you might want to do once you've explored the size and shape and volume of waste is actually come up with and prototype some ideas. So here's some examples of a couple of ideas that we've prototyped. So we've explored the use of mechanisms and we've produced 2 prototype ideas there using corrugated cardboard, kebab skewers and split pins. Now obviously these are prototypes. The strength and function of these products won't do the job that we want it to do. But we're not asking you to do that. We're asking you to innovate and prototype a new product idea. So once you've had a go at prototyping, you could do this using traditional methods or computer-aided design. We'd like you then to submit your final solution. So here is our final solution. And we've taken a picture of it. And this is making use of traditional modelling techniques. You could use traditional modelling techniques or you could provide us with a computer-aided design model. It's entirely up to you how you submit it and what skills you demonstrate within that submission. What would help is if the product is actually photographed in context. It'd be good to see how this product might actually reduce the volume of waste. So you could replicate the waste by creating a shape out of paper to replicate how that product would crush that particular product. So have a think about how you submit that. It could be an image or it could be a video, but we look forward to seeing your solutions and we hope you enjoy this challenge. Thank you for listening.